all of your time. I'm selfish cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are at the Collector Travel event again. We're still in Portugal. We are finishing up this Portugal series. It was such an incredible trip with amazing content. But today we are at the night shoot. So you saw the previous video, we was on the cliff top. If you haven't seen that one, it's an amazing video. It's got crazy numbers, so go check it out in the card above. And in that same day, we did a night shoot. Now this is a very fire bikini. We got some lingeries. It's kind of an outdoor boudoir photo shoot, because I think Helena here, the model that you can see, is the only one that was wearing bikinis. Everyone else was kind of wearing lingerie. So I guess it's more so a lingerie photo shoot. But yeah, we had some nice lighting setups. As you can see, some nice creative lighting setups. You can see another photographer in the corner setting up his lights. We do add some more backlights as well. But this is such a nice, creative, very fire night shoot with everyone involved. And we have four models. Actually, I have 4 models in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Can it go more powerful? Oh, that's safe. Nice. I'm doing video, by the way.
Hey, one sec.
Yeah, please, yes. Nice. Yeah.
Hey, Humble J wants lighting credits, yeah?
Humble J, got the shot.
Nice.
Right now, bitch. Oh my days. Someone explain to me.
If you put it on top of, just rest it on the chair there.
Yeah?
Yeah, like on the edge, yeah. Nice. Wow. I'm doing video, yeah, so you can move. Right there. If you can bring your feet up. Fire. Jeez. I see what you Americans be doing with the light now. Stop it. Now, I did a shoot here a couple of years ago in the exact same spot, and it kind of went viral. It was probably one of my favorite videos to this date. You can catch it on my Instagram as well, IAmJadoreTV, so you can see that. But I just love this setup. But the original shoot, they had kind of the street lights at the back, which were like nice and orange. The sky was a bit lighter than this, so you had some of the blue, the dark blue. You had the orange. It kind of offsets like the orange and teal kind of vibe. We had a light on the model. Obviously, she was diddy oiled up. That is the key element in some of these shots. Oiling the model just what's the word I'm looking for? Emphasizes the curves and just creates amazing shapes. So that is another tip. But yeah, love this set. Love the lighting. And yeah, the results at the end are amazing. Nice. Fire. Step back. I don't even know whose Osmo is that. I think that's Keeper's. Where's Keeper? I don't know where Keeper's from. Oh, there you are. Yeah. Wait, Pooh, can you put, are you using that? Has that got a quarter screw? Ah, damn. Yeah, his one ain't got a quarter screw.
I've got one on my.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, put it on the light on the. Huh? In it. No one would have been making it home. Nice. Right. Switch this blue light. No, that's cool. This way, this way. No. Do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, this is encouraging. Bad.
So this side we switched the angle just so we can get that nice red highlight on the back side of the model. We're getting a nice light from the front, which it's getting that nice kind of clean light. Just we're highlighting the model in every angle just to highlight all the curves, all the angles of the model, creating those nice shapes, giving them nice highlights on the face and the bits that we want to see the light. But that nice highlight at the back is the really nice touch. in the shop. Nice. Fire. If you enjoyed this video and you want to create some amazing content overseas to just build your portfolio, diversify your portfolio, if you're a model or photographer, make sure you join our next events. We have some amazing events coming up, some great locations as well, with amazing people, networking to the max. Go to thecollectortravel.com and stay up to date with our trips and events, and don't forget to join our channel on Instagram where we update it more regularly. We have some private trips that we don't put on our website, some smaller trips that we might be going somewhere with the team, so you can join along on those as well. So definitely give that a follow. But definitely guys, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and make sure you attend one of these events. It's such an amazing experience, and yeah, can't wait to see you all. But let me know which one is your favorite images from this video that are coming up. Leave a comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you give a double tap, give a hype as well, and I'll see you in the next one.